Before selling or giving away or resolve various connection issues, you might be thinking of hard or factory reset your Sony WF-1000XM5 earbuds. So let's go take our earbuds back to its default settings by two different ways, manually and from the app. If you just want to remove the pairing data for some reason, you can do it if you have the Sony Headphones Connect app. For that, first make sure the buds are outside the charging case and connected and paired to the app. Now in your app, go to the System tab, scroll down till the end, and from here tap on Initialize settings. To reset only your headphones, tap on Initialize headphones to default state. And after reset, these things will go back to its factory settings. If you are okay with that, just tap on Initialize. And then, OK. Your reset is complete. You can now reset up with a device of your choice. Now, the second process comes handy especially when you're facing any connection issues. For that, first we recommend you from the Bluetooth settings, just go ahead, forget or unpair your Sony WF. After that, make sure both the buds are inside the case and the lid is open. Now locate the power button behind the case. Press and hold this button for at least 20 seconds when you go through blue flashing LED, then orange blinking LED for 5 seconds. After 20 seconds, all the LED will turn off and your buds will shut down. That means the reset is complete. Just close the lid, wait for a couple of seconds, and open the lid again. And then if you want, you can just go ahead pair it with any device you want. So these are the two processes by which you can hard or factory reset your Sony WF-1000XM5. Thanks for watching.